Hello everyone. Here is an important update for all advertisers in India. You can no longer run advertisements the way you did before. Starting from June 18th, the government of India have implemented a new rule which states that if you are publishing any advertisements on any platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Google or any other traditional methods like TV or radio or print, you have to go through a self-declaration process. This is to ensure that the broadcasters and publishers are not responsible for the content that they publish. Instead, the business or the advertisers will be responsible for the content that they publish. This is to ensure accountability and to protect consumers from misleading ads. Well, now let's see how to get the self-declaration form. So if you are planning to advertise on digital media or printing, I'll give you the way how to get a self-declaration form below. Follow me the simple process and you will be able to get a self-declaration form. Firstly, visit the Press Council of India's web portal. On the home page, you will find a self-declaration certificates for advertisers. You can sign up using your email ID, authorized person's name, designation, and mobile number. Ensure these are valid as they will be verified through OTP. Next, you need to provide a letter of authorization during the sign-up process. Download the template from the portal. If you are an agency, use your letterhead to create this letter, including your details and company seal. Next, complete the sign-up process and a password will be generated for your account. Upon first login, reset the password. After logging in, go to your dashboard. There you can create a self-declaration certificate for each ad. Here is how to do it for each ad. Firstly, enter the product or service name, the advertisement title, and the release date. Next, upload the media file, which can be PDF, video link, or image. If you are uploading a video, it is mandatory to upload the video script. Next, provide a description of up to 200 characters on what the content is about. Agree to the terms and submit your application. Well, here comes the challenging part. If you are planning to run multiple advertisements, you have to go through this process for each and every single advertisement. So if you are an agency or an advertising company, it becomes quite time consuming to go through this process on every single time. So the Internet and Mobile Association of India have raised a concern on Supreme Court of India, as this will be affecting small and medium businesses. As we conclude, the self-declaration rule promotes responsible advertising, protecting consumer from misleading ads, and also bringing a transparency of advertising in India. Now I will need to make a self-declaration for this video to be approved. Thank you for watching.